So we checked out of our one place we had to go to last night. It was actually really good. Oh yeah, coffee shop. And now we checked out of there, dropped our bags off, and we're trying to find breakfast. And there's a coffee shop. Want to get coffee?
Do you want to go there and see what they have for food?
Sure, we can do that. So breakfast was good. Sorry I didn't film any of it. But we're trying to figure out how to, like, what we're gonna see while we're here in Cebu, where we're gonna go after this, and all that kind of fun stuff. But we're looking at Google Maps, and Rachel came across this interesting feature that I didn't know existed. You can set your car as Mario in Mario Kart. That is awesome. Didn't even know that was a thing. I don't know why that's a thing, but it's very cool. But yeah, we're trying to figure out what we're doing, where we're going, what we're gonna see. Beaches and islands and whatnot.
Beaches and islands.
And so forth. So we made it to our room finally. Here it is. It's actually really nice. Got a private room because it was about the same, maybe like 50 cents more than for both of us to have a single, just to be in a dorm. So we just, I guess, splurged a little bit, but still within budget to get this place. We have a desk and a vanity, like lights with outlets on both sides of the bed, a nice sturdy door with a bolt lock and a door lock. And a nice bathroom, like a half wet bath. Like, we haven't had a shower curtain in so long. But yeah, it looks nice. It's clean, nice. Probably turn that off. And we have AC. And Rachel's mocking me now. Yeah, we're just going to do some work today and some research and figure out what our next step is because we only have this place booked for tonight. So we got to do that. And I have to upload a vlog today. So, yeah. Alright, so we're going to do work. See you guys in a while. So, got my vlog up. We had dinner, had some food. It was good. We had garlic chicken and garlic rice. Delicious, delicious. We had a local beer, like a craft brew from Cebu, which I didn't even know they had them. But now we just did some work, had that nice beer, and then watched Netflix and drink Red Horse. Because, you know. What else is there? Why not? So we just left our hostel and now we're going to the bus terminal to go down to Mobile. And yeah, I accidentally left my camera on last night and this battery's almost dead, so I don't know how much of the trip I'll actually be able to show. I have my other camera, so I should be able to get something, but just in case you don't hear from me, that's why. Alright, to the bus station. So here's our room, guys. Nothing special. A little messy right now because I laid out all my stuff. And we're going to go see the sardine run. No, we're gonna go see the sardines. Apparently, in this area in Mobile, there's a bunch of schools of sardines that are just swimming around, like right in the beach, right off the beach. And apparently, there's like stingrays and sea snakes and sea turtles and all sorts of stuff. So we're gonna drive over that way and see what we can see and just hop in the water. It's free, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna get some advice and some guidance from owner of our Airbnb, and then we're gonna go. I'm not gonna bring this camera, it's all gonna be GoPro, but I'm excited. Can't wait for you guys to see it. So. So the sardines were awesome. I'm burnt because I didn't reapply sunscreen. I did put sunscreen on. Rachel's a little burnt for the same reason. We both put it on, but we didn't reapply. Now we're back at our place. They're still remodeling this, or building it. So we're kind of up on top where the rooms will be. Our rooms are downstairs, looking out at the sunset, and there's like a lake here which feeds into the ocean. So we're gonna go check out the lake and see the sunset from the lake. So come on. Hi! So the sunset was very beautiful. It's still like kind of golden hour because the sun, as it is down past the mountains. It's beautiful. Rachel found a shell. Hi! Hi!
Hi.
But yeah, so we're here. Sunset's over. Even though we just ate, we're probably gonna get some more food because we're probably gonna be hungry later. We gotta see if we can extend another night here because it's really nice. They just started in June. They just started building this place and opening this place up. And it's very nice. It's called Lakeview Resort, south of Mobile. I really like it here. It's very quiet and peaceful and has a lake, has an ocean view. And I need to rinse my face off because it kind of hurts. But,
I got stung by a jelly.
oh yeah, Rachel got stung by a jellyfish while we were snorkeling earlier. But I'm going to call it here. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye.
Oh, sorry. Do it again. Sorry. Just the bite part.
Bye.